Mamima Akwaba Eba Ghana SMTVGH and say Happy New Month to you also. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for following us. And thank you for commenting. Thank you so much. Ebusianfo asem die empe nipa. Nipa na nepe ni wansem. Obi na tu nyom saa. Na saa nyom no so enu kre. Because as we go through life, you realize that same the empenipo nipa and a penny one same. Nipa and a penny one same in the stand stay. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama echo abrochre. Now oko abrochre no. Oko ka say first thing I can say I call on all of you in UK to come back home. We have many jobs in Ghana now as a result of 24-hour economy 133 formula. And this is reported by City Newsroom. Ebusion 4. See, let me tell you something. You read it, all you can say is say, somebody, Obi, I saw reporting some to the president is lying to him. Somebody is lying to the president. The president does not know the reality. Yeah. He does not know the reality on him. Because clearly, when you have a country in which nipa over 500,000 a person mura security services more, untimi say there are jobs. Do you think all the people who apply they love the military or the police or no? They just want job security. Baby, I'm met me na monthly or munya baby. Because in the private sector, you can be laid off anytime. And when you have 500,000 people apply and you take just 5,000, 1%, and you let 495,000 people go, 99%. You cannot tell me say there are jobs in Ghana. Who catch your big say move free UK now move Ghana because even market as I say what I need you can say 24-hour economy what I know then market so see market no say how many have you built? How many have you commissioned, Mr. President? Somebody is lying to you. Obi Chauntro. And as a president, you must fish that person out and sack that person because Ochauntro. Nipa wakachiro say 24-hour economy is in motion. Ghana ha. Nipa no so pamono. Pamono say sia, I can say pamono. I don't want to believe say President Oman Penino or no one sorry Chantro debi Obi na Chantro. Then the second thing, Nipan ne penny one say there is a patriot.
My name is Dɛstrɔyɛd. I'm retired now, but I remain a community activist.
And now this a meeting nemo. I was sorry, but penny senior citizen. Okay, say, Oman penny. Ewamu say, bia wo ye jumano. But idea wo appointees ye. Appointee send birthday nti otimit na office. Now I invite Stone Boy. Now your name says Stone Boy, you know, or you're expensive. So to have Stone Boy come, now be perform it to you. Stone Boy be perform it to you alone. Private, kind of say privately. It takes money. Eska. The optics are not looking good, Mr. President. And the person told the president to the face. And you look when you hear the video. Because all can no create any trauma and penalty. Now, one person on Twasu, they were trying to cut him off. And on beside the question, it is. The man told the president the truth, the hard truth. The hard truth and nothing but the truth. They did not like it. So they were interfering to the man's speech. But you see, the senior citizen, no, as a senior citizen as he is, on him saying Crawford 1% and he finished his statement. Say ministers, a band of weekends, sir. No more organizing parties, birthday parties. We say, oh yeah, 40 years. We say, oh yeah, 60 years. We say, oh yeah, 70 years. We say, oh yeah, 50. Lavish, high class parties. No more, sir. Now say, Bowser's in body. How much be money? Now you know all those things, all those optics. Yeah. And in the midst of all these things, they don't want us to talk. They don't. But we will talk. And Ghana Sem Wohono. And that is why you must support Ghana Sem. You must donate, please. Because this is the only place that we tell the truth to power. And if MPP is going to return to power, we would need channels like Ghana Sem. Yeah, we would. Unless you think otherwise, but we would. Ebusianfo baby bia o Ghana ha bia se upe photographers omunim juma ebano editing omutwa pictures omu cameras akese lenses akese omu drones ni bibia ope bia no touch of the way photography for omunaba air screen so esa wo contact omu say yeah ma a wedding funeral birthday party. And I say, assassin been put na one now person who hear drone video, in drone pictures of assassina. But more than say I contact the touch of the photography. Baby, upe so muye jumano mau e Ghana ha baby no. Omuye claro no me yamau. And omuye very 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 affordable. So upe so a birthday photo shoot. What more manoni? Person surprise you be with a birthday photo shooter. Very important. But more than say. Only touch of the way photography for wedding como and the catcher say Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend it. Once when I cast Ghana Sem TVGH4 and I recommend you mupe when you have the special discount.
I have some concerns too, but I would ask one question and I will let the president take the concerns away. I'm happy that the High Commissioner has invited us to this meeting to come and engage with the leader of our country. I've listened to some of the ministers, and whilst it looks like the metrics are going in the right direction, the optics do not look very good. Every year there's perennial flooding. We have not been able to solve that problem in the city of Accra, our main city. Every weekend we see on TikTok the ministers at parties, instead of being with their constituents, they are talking to each other, blowing time. It does not look good. Mr. President, please tell them that at weekends, they should go back to their constituents and find out what it is that the people of Ghana need.
Thank you very much for your question.
And now my concern. Up to last week, we had a perfectly legal system that criminalized people with homosexuals. We have now
Thank you for your
decided.
question.
We have now decided that we are bringing on another law, which is a total distraction.
Uncle, please come to your question,
The
or else we'll
concern
have
is
to cut
that
you. We're running out of
Everywhere
time.
you go from now,
Please
people
ask your
will ask
question.
you about the LGTB bill and why we needed it.
Thank you
I
very
always
much.
wish you well.
Thank you very
and
much,
thank you.
Uncle. Thank you.
Ebusianfoɔ maybe sounds to say umboy when we say Ghana Sem TV GHD, we are a community, right? And that is why your feedbacks are important. That's why we respond to your feedbacks and everything. But also we need help with some of our gadgets. We need help with our studio that we want to move to and all those things. And now the number is on your screen. Yeah, right here. Okay. Yeah, right here. That is the number. We would accept it. The other time someone sent me 50 Ghana cedis. I was so happy. So happy. Yes. So thank you so much for your contributions. Please keep helping us.
Nsuo pa John Mahama abeto de egu Ghana for so e no mu so bi no. Hwɛ.
Okay.
Ewiase yɛse sɛ yɛma wɔn hene na sɛ wanje akoa nkra yɛ den ɛbɔ.
Yeah.
Ghana fo ayɛ yɛn ho sɛ pampered spoiled children bia. Kyɛ sɛ MPP ama omo tasty goodness into omo fa MPP nya hwe. And then make asem ya kyerɛ obi a ayi me de say doctor wa psychologically philosophically bibia wo de ba mu ama me kyerɛ wade. Oba usually bema usually ubeku ho aye bibia ama no usually they are the ones that don't take you for nothing. Dia office we dia meti bia di keke we dia ya nam dia pa manum no. I'm telling you this out of experience and out of what the truth is. Minya, share to not bore anybody here. Ye wo kromu ha. Ena ye papa John Dramani Mahama. Obedi president 2013. Minya, obedi president no. Sa trumu asemi enye se mpeja niti o. Epeja niti.
Yeah.
Because obekaya headmasters ya na wo boy schools ni ade start be complain isa na dwe ye na obetena nkoda ni bi su form amfo yi wo ba wo de na akona ayi agasunum akanasi toilet no so wo akoda turum kun koda yi. So it was raised at that time. Funny enough, you know who was leading the charge of the NDC? Sam George.
Yeah.
Tilie ba ebredu ya ye bisa Sam George no mo say, what are you people going to do to help this? Sam George say, there are better things the president is thinking about. The president is thinking about bread and butter, not what somebody is doing in their room. This was Sam George.
Yeah.
In government, like the first Mahama government. And Danchen. Fast forward, yaba yenime baby to 2020 year in never. Then the LGBT thing comes again. Funny enough, the man who was bold enough to tell the whole Asof Wani CS was name say, so long as I make kwekwa dankwa, me tese kunya we so die. Oba ni wo ben tumi nkoware na be ma ne be men tumi ware san say esi supi say ye mra article 29 no kura ka sa ade we no sabe criminal offensive act 29 no kwa o kire wo say wo yire kura sabe o mpreduasa woni ne tifie no Richie etoda na wo ye mistake na wan fa right place na wo fa wrong place na so oba ne mpe na wo ka ye tumi ti wo de wutum 1 year obi anko check sa e law no.
Yo.
Wa we yiri o yes untumi mfa ne den untumi mfa ne ba bi sabe ekwan wo page ne ye big ntimi pese meye basa ha so what you say but minim say me ken omunim de etie. Now the same Sam George, the same Okujato Blokwa, after Nanado has promised and made a pledge, said that will not happen, no, rather went to market and say, Nanado Danko Kufuado is what? Is gay and or no support to gay for no, this is what they were doing. Now, you know what is sad about this whole thing? when it comes to Nanado. Nanado na yesi ono sebi trumu president no. Na penso be ma ne be ma mbekisi wo Ghana bedwam entwa pentwa video da. Nanado na ye ka kire yesi wono na epe no. Ye hu se gay for say ye koye party wo baby. The last time a gay for started say ye party wo baby mo kaya Nanado time so ye the police folk ready ho se mo kaya. If you people remember, I forgot the year, but yes, we took police to raid the place. Is it alone? No. There are existing laws that a war where chere say oba no oba ntumi nware bemba ne bemba ntumi nware e wo ye mere mu dada. Archbishop meet mama e wo ye mere mu dada Papa Rich e wo ye mere mu dada ntinye afen obi di bibi ko ba say ye de ko bra bibi ye mere na bra dada na mmom ebinom say enam sa asotwe e wo ho no nhye dan nye di nti no e ya na nkrofo ye ni free ara wo sam e wo mu menuanom e wo Jamestown fan cheme patoko Jamestown no choko side wa me di akra na metena nti anu na menim menua sa squad na ni go bebre nti e ya de asebio it is going on and now you want to enforce it. No problem. Omo sponsor private member bill na tio. Na ono Sam George ne nkrofo no ko ese. Se obi te said the amenia voice here doctor. Se obi or yes say nipa ni bi ban ho beje ayaresa na ohwe na yemfa ne ntum. Doesn't that breach human rights? Everyone has a right to health.
Sure.
And life. Inti sa woka kire me say me nua voice ene obi akokasa anaso one obi akodi nkomo na onipa ne ye yinti na obeche na. That is wrong. Ebi o ye say me ma ba so kwa be rent me compound house a me nim se kwadwo bese bi tifie ho. Tio me nim o. Say mama me kan kire om se kwadwo bese tifie ho na one day om find se kwadwo bese tifie ho a ye ne aye wo ni na ye beche ye ma ye wa ye. Listen to what these people were trying to give a Akufo-Addo to sign. Richie, I want you people to open your eyes and look how demonic that NDC party is. Look at what they wanted the man to sign. Knowing very well, say, anybody that know friends of Ghana, San Crawford, no, almost support to you, and Rollins the time. Rollins the time, Nina, no, almost support to you. Back in the days before Rollins, no, almost support to you. Inti enya faith and yes, omo, it was them. Their representative was the one that came to settle that thing with you. Otumfo. Omo nim na enim. Omo nim na enim. Ya keka ya esi yen ya de komenya mekese ese nya mekese ye be kama yen.
Omo community na command.
Asana Rollins say so dey free komenya so.
Omo was capable to control the world now. It's a serious big community in the whole world.
Yo.
And they are rich.
They are the most they are the most powerful. I live in Canada, my brother. I live in Canada. Richie, I could tell you on I hope so World Cup where you are coming. I want to see you. Me say,
yeah, I mean I'm US already. I feel like
no. I'm talking about Rich, Papa Rich.
Okay.
These people went to a step further to say, Fanese Obi Sadi Unibi, na ebia first you say akrobeto no ma de no mo ye costuming into be makra no mutumi dressing or ba no mo de na ye act. These people were trying to criminalize all of that.
Sure.
And nti omo ye ho adwuma of parliament no. And Reverend, I promise to obey me some documents. I hope he gives me now. When I resume, I can put them out there.
Okay.
Committee minutes, you take it wasn't supposed to be that strict too. Now, when say you have election year, no, and no use that as a tool to push things in to make that bill the worst thing to ever happen. Fast forward.
So the aim is Saturday now Reverend I don't know one fight is happening out.
You fight on committee. I say it is a government both of you are running. Obviously, we go and NDC and MPP but that is a government. Government because you
right,
are
because minority.
Exactly. You see, so for me, I'm like that wasn't even the main thing. My problem came when Sam George marched children on the street of Accra. Say, Nanado and sign LGBT law now. One sign and now one just say oye trumu. And momo trotro ma omo communication phone na say okwa akoka say JB dankwa wo fa CB do well ending ekufu ado ne kwatena ye na na omudi ne to enti no no ye oye nkwasi asem we yet na radio ni TV so kekai all because say na ye the power no problem. Okotena GH1 can say the president just need a few days na sa de no power they will sign it. Owie ye no ko onua TV so onua ho radio ho no e no ko kan say yen Ghana ye mra na ye hyehye ye no they are so be to fie no again na wan ko kan say be beba bechi watum no say eyi no Kenya fo abefa na de Kenya fo pepe free wan ni din no Kenya fo anyi ba akokura mfrim.
Yeah, YFM. Sorry, 3FM.
Yes. The anyi ba akokura anye den amfa mfrim. Hey, and tell me the powerful power. So be better to have mo your document pass once such a crowd. Forgetting say the wedding must also suit to the laws of the what of the country. You see how stupid they are? They just argue blindly. Kenya for laws are running on the country, and not running Ghana. And every bill you pass must be in accordance with the constitution. Is the constitution of Kenya the same as constitution of Ghana?
No.
So how the hell do we sit down for some judge to come and tell us, say, all the Kenyans did was to change the name? What about the wedding? How we address our constituents, how we address our cases, it's not a same as what the Kenyans will do. But they were able to sell. Yes, but they
I
were
don't quite get you. Like, I don't quite get you. Kenya for Nebebe still.
Some George said, some George said, Kenya for no, yen na almost say a kufu to say one sign. No, Kenya for befa, the almost paper free why you dino.
And so why?
In fact, he actually said, the minister then contacted him and only released the document in the demand. That is his worst. Yeah.
Why then the need for amendment?
Nana, me patch lawyer for her and come mami. Richie, when him says a breach of our constitution, you have shared our document. You have given our document to a next nation. You see, they speak with foolishness, but my God, Richie, these NDC people, they talk out of their ass. They have no sense in their head. Because for me, your critical thing can be a baby. I say, then Ghana for Shemra. Na Kenya for befa. One fan to form constitution. No more the omo pepe dini keke. No more what be that?
No. It's not a breach of anything. Because it's an introductory something. We are yet to introduce it.
Me say, or no, the obeka no. There are some George Becca and ye can
I'm looking at it from the Kenyan
says and may can there some George can read you so you're making it look like say it was the best deal ever.
Now, I think I have it. So yeah.
Okay, and to refresh us. So what
I understand the whole thing I will explain, but the concern is if the Kenyans have come to borrow. When in America, it had been introduced. It wasn't, it was a bill, some way or the other, and a law. They can come get it.
It was done in accordance with our constitution. Yes or no?
Right.
Yes.
Yeah. But it was a private.
Try. Just give me a chance. 2, Ghana, yes. Ghana and Kenya, do we have the same constitution?
No, it's an AU thing. We all
now even AU no cry there are clauses here. Me patcho mama and yamani bu mama yemen in that clear. No be tia with the okokan. Even with the AU no. say yeah implementing free education. So who they are, I mean, like the countries nearby are what was done. They did
Yes.
it to fit their system, to fit their constitution, to fit what works for them. It's not a one size fits all. I want us to make that clear. But also what you are saying.
This is quite surprising to me because me feel say